Hey everyone, it's Paola from WTI, and I have to share with you this amazing chair from MOJIA. I am obsessed with this egg chair because one, it's super unique looking, but it is the most comfortable chair in my entire house. It has a nice spring to it, so it is really going to be cozy with this enclosure, and it just looks very nice and airy. I love that it kind of mimics a bird cage feel to it, and it looks great in my patio. I am not sure if I'm gonna keep it indoors or outdoors. I want it everywhere. So I love this chair. It's comfortable, it's great for all weathers, and it has a rain cover if you do happen to have storms coming in. So it's made out of a steel frame that's really strong. It can hold up to 450 pounds. Now the cage itself has this rattan and these cords right here that make it very flexible and easy to store. So you can see right here, the stand has a nice spring to it, and it's perfect if you don't have anywhere to hang a chair from like I do. So if you want to store it, the chair folds up nicely, the frame can come apart easily, and you can put it away for the next season. But where I live, I'm gonna probably keep it out all year long. So if you've been looking for an egg chair, don't hesitate. This one from MOJIA is great quality, and that's my point of view.